If you've ever wondered if you're destined for something greater, this video is your guide to decode the signs that you are a chosen one. Now, without further ado, let's start the video and check if you're the one. You're not fake. When the higher power selects you, it doesn't hand you a playbook. It offers whispers and signs. Authenticity is your anthem. Fakeness doesn't sit well with you. You can sense a fake from miles away. This innate ability is your distinctive mark as a chosen one. Embrace it. It's your natural compass. The eternal quest for more. Ever feel like you're meant for something beyond the ordinary? You're not content with the mundane. You yearn for more. You resonate with Robert Frost's idea of taking the road less traveled. Your heart seeks a life beyond societal norms, recognizing a bigger, more meaningful existence. Nurturing strength through hardships. As a chosen one, life equips you with challenges, not burdens. Each trial isn't a setback, it's a lesson. Your struggles are preparing you to be a guide, a mentor for others navigating their own hardships. The eternal quest for truth. Your journey isn't just about living, it's about understanding life's deeper meaning. You're a seeker of truth, challenging norms, and seeking answers beyond the surface. Socrates' words echo in your soul. An unexamined life is not worth living. The black sheep phenomenon. Feeling like the odd one out in the family isn't a curse. It's a calling. Your perspective doesn't align with the traditional family mold. This disconnection is a sign that you're destined for something greater. A heart of compassion and giving. Your kindness isn't a weakness, it's your strength. Even amidst challenges, you're driven to help and serve. Your innate desire to be a giver marks you as a chosen one, destined for a purpose larger than yourself. The guiding inner light. Deep down, you hold an inner certainty, an unshakable belief that you're destined for a greater purpose. Even when misunderstood or disliked, your inner light becomes a beacon guiding others who seek it. Faith and belief in higher powers. You believe in a higher power, a force beyond our comprehension. This belief doesn't make you naive. It makes you a beacon of light in a world that sometimes feels dim. Trust in this power, for it guides and protects you. So, if these signs resonate within you, it's not mere coincidence. It's a calling from a higher realm. Embrace your uniqueness. You're part of something extraordinary. You're not alone. You're part of a community seeking wisdom and deeper understanding. May your path be illuminated, guiding you to embrace the blessings that await. By staying with us, you're part of this incredible journey. Your presence encourages the creation of more insightful content. Thank you for being part of this family of seekers. May your journey be filled with enlightenment and guidance. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep evolving with us.